Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to recover your Envato account. If you've lost access to your account or simply can't remember your password, this straightforward process will help you regain entry and get back to your creative work in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to elements.envato.com. This is the main hub where you'll begin the recovery process. Once the page loads, take a moment to look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a sign in button prominently displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login screen. Now you'll be taken to the login page where you'll see fields for entering your credentials. In the username or email field, type in either your username or the email address associated with your Envato account. This is the identifier that Envato uses to recognize your account, so make sure you're using the correct information. Next, navigate down to the password field, but instead of entering a password, look for the Forgot option located right next to it. Click on Forgot. This is the key step that initiates the password recovery process and allows you to reset your credentials safely. After clicking Forgot, you'll be directed to a password recovery page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address that is associated with your Envato account. This ensures that the reset instructions are sent to the right place and keeps your account secure. Once you've entered your email, click the Submit button to send the recovery request. At this point, Envato is processing your request and sending a recovery email to your inbox. This might take a moment, so be patient while the email is being delivered. Now, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your email inbox. Look through your recent emails to locate the message sent to you by Envato. It should arrive within a few minutes, though sometimes it might take a bit longer. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you've found the email from Envato, open it and look for a link or button that says click to reset your password. Go ahead and click on that link. This will redirect you back to Envato's website, where you can create a new password for your account. On the password reset page, you'll see a field where you can enter your new password. Choose something secure and memorable, ideally a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols that you haven't used for this account before. After entering your new password, click the Submit button to save your changes. Finally, you'll likely see a confirmation message letting you know that your password has been successfully updated. Click Continue to proceed back to your Envato account. You should now be able to access your account with your new credentials and resume your projects without any further issues. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Envato account and reset your password. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.